You are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on Messenger. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search about the application of Messenger. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger. And here you will update your app if you find update in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.